Hey guys, this is a iPad 11 fifth generation. iPad 11 fifth generation. This is a iPad Air. The model number is A2588. We fixed the motherboard and also the screen was damaged. Screen is damaged right here, and so motherboard is fixed, but now we're going to change the screen. Not difficult, pretty simple to basically change the screen for this device. I have already taken apart, so I'm just going to show you. It's pretty easy to replace the screen on these devices. On this device, usually iPads are a little bit more difficult, but this device is quite simple. So you gotta only remove 1, 2, 3 of these connectors, okay, and the screen will be out basically. Here it is, 3 connectors, and I'm just gonna install the brand new screen, iPad Air 11-inch 5th generation. And these connections need to be put together. Just make sure that unplug the battery and undo the battery, and just raise it with either a guitar pick or with the battery separator, which is this one here instead here, so at least the battery is not powered and the device is not powered when you're changing the display. Just put it back, close it, and power up the battery, and it should be good to go. Nice thing is all the other, the camera and the different sensors and stuff is installed on the iPad, as compared to the other models where you have to install everything on the iPad, which is pretty more difficult than this one here. Okay, thanks for watching Future Gadgets video. This is Future Gadget Richmond Hill. Thank you so much. Please comments on this video if you like, and come here or forward us our information to your friends and family members if somebody needed a repair in Richmond Hill. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. So this was the iPad Air 11-inch 5th generation. Screen replaced. Beautiful motherboard and the screen. Okay, thanks for watching Future Gadgets. Have a lovely day.